Hello world, here is BITI, your Bitcoin trading informant, and today very important here are big news for you, big news and a big warning out there until Friday. Tomorrow Friday we have to watch a big thing. I will tell you this now. Here is the Fear and Greed index, and you can see now we have 60 points on greed here in the market. You can see yesterday 65 points, last week 72 points, and last month extreme greed in the market with 94 points. Here is the coin market cap. What's going on? Bitcoin today down with 10%. Ethereum is down with 8%. Also Tether is going down a little bit, okay? Not so good. Binance coin is going down with 13%. Cardano is going down with 6%. Polkadot is going down with 18%. You can see all big coins here, all big on the top 10 coins are going down. They are bloody, they are red here. Look at this, all is red. All is going down. What the damn. So guys, here is the fresh chart picture of Bitcoin. Bitcoin, the daily chart, and now I would like to show you something special before we are starting our TA here. For the first, guys, here is on coindesk.com. Here is a big thing I would like to show you. You can see here we have a thing here called Max PAYNE. And we have here a very nice picture to this Max PAYNE thing. I would like to show you this now. This is a picture about this chart here. Look at this. We had a January pump here for Bitcoin, and we had a target for this Max PAYNE thing. I call it thing now, about 28,000, and you can saw it. Yes, the price is going to the upside. It pumped and it's going down to this point here again. On the next pump, we have also here, let me check it. So we had also a thing here about 40,000, and you can see it's not coming down again to 40,000, but it's going down from that pump here really near to 40,000. Now we have a new price target for this Max PAYNE, I call it thing here, about 44,000. Okay, and the big thing is, guys, this Friday, look at this here. This Friday we have the big thing that the Bitcoin traders are looking for this point here, because Bitcoin traders brace for record 6 billion in options to expire on Friday. And this Friday is the point we may see a thing here about 44,000. A lot of guys are watching at this, but it's very important, guys. I will tell you something here also. Let me show you here. This is a Max PAYNE is a calculated thing, okay? That's all okay. But this here is very important, guys. Let me read it for you here. Max PAYNE for the March 26 expire is currently on 44,000. The world's largest crypto options exchange by trading volumes and option open positions, told CoinDesk. Okay, that does not mean that the market will move to 44,000 by the end of this week, but it does imply that after Friday, this potential downward pressure no longer exists. So we have this week a downward pressure. Why we have this? Because the futures are running out. The 6 billions are running out on Friday, and we have this 44,000 in our heads here. And a lot of traders, a lot of whales are thinking about that. They are waiting for Friday that this thing will run out, and we have to watch this. This is maybe the main thing why it's going down momently here in the market. Now here is the one-day chart. Let us make a mark here to 44,000. Where is 44,000? Let me show you this here. This is maybe a price about 44,000. So this is our Max PAYNE target. Let us talk about target here. Okay, you can see it's measuring very nice here with this point here when we make this here as a support line here. So this is not a bad thing to think about this. It's not impossible to come down here on this point because of this last spike here to the downside. So it's a very nice idea. Let us talk about this. Now, guys, we have some patterns here. We have to watch some patterns here. They are very important. We had a rising wedge. I will show you this. From this point to this point, and from the downside, from this point over this point to the upside. So you can see, yes, we broke this rising wedge to the downside. That's the bearish thing for the moment. And that's the big thing I'm watching now. I'm not in a trade momently. I sold here my Bitcoin. I can show you here on my live stream. Bitcoin trading informant, streaming live on Twitch and YouTube 24 hours, 7 days a week. And I had here a very nice sell position here, sell signal. On the upside, it was on nearly 57,000. I sold here and now I'm waiting. I'm not going into a trade here because I'm a little bit scared about this week, about this max PAYNE things, 44,000 and so on and so on. In my brain, I have 47,000 since long time, so I'm waiting a little bit now. Every day a new trade. I must trade every day here. I can wait a little bit. So this is the live stream. Going back here. This is our rising wedge, and our rising wedge is normally a bearish pattern. And yes, we broke it to the downside in this opinion. I know we are in a big bull market. Okay, but we broke it to the downside. We have still a target to watch if we are breaking down to the downside, and we have the lowest point to this line here to the upside. This line we put here to the break down here, and this is our target. Don't be afraid, guys. This is our target for breaking down this rising wedge, and the target is about 33,000. I know it's horrifying, I know it's deep, but this is the target, the technical target. Now you can see why it's not so a big thing to reach 44,000, because we have a technical target for a breakdown about 33,000. This is an important thing we have to watch, and we must watch, guys. That's very important. Another thing that's also bearish, I told you every day on my videos, this bearish divergence. Here it's going to the downside, price is going to the upside. This is a big thing a lot of whales and traders are watching, and now we may see a breakdown, or we see a breakdown. Okay, let's check the EMA ribbon on the daily chart, and you can see in the daily chart we are fighting in this EMA ribbon. Momently we are in the middle here. The MA21 is here, the resistance. We broke the resistance to the downside. This was the first bearish, really bearish sign, and now this is a resistance also. So okay, guys, that's the big thing here. What's going on with the MACD? Let's check this here on the daily chart. The MACD is bearish. Okay, it's really extreme bearish. Blue line under the brown line. This is a really bearish thing. Okay, we need to watch it more, I think. Another stuff here we have to watch is the 4-hour chart. What's going on in the 4-hour chart? What's going on with the ribbon band? And look at this. MACD still bearish. Okay, ribbon band short here. We had a short position here. We have a red ribbon band. That's a bearish thing. It's a resistance now. And now we are under our support. Support is now red. We have to watch it. The next thing we have to watch is a parallel channel. I love these parallel channels. They are working so good for TA from the upside to the downside on a point like this here. This is a red channel. And now, surprise, surprise, you can see it. We spiked perfectly here on this point. This was a perfect long position. If you have, I say, balls of steel, you can go long here with 50,500. Very nice long position here. We are now in the downtrend, and you know the middle line is now our big resistance. This is the red line like this here. And if we can go up here and retest the middle line, we have a price target here on 54,000. So the price is now to watch here on the 4-hour chart between these points. We see now a long wick to the downside. This is the 4-hour candle. We have still 2 hours left here to close this candle. If we will see a big wick like this, you can see it here on this big wick. We saw after this big wick a good upgoing pump here for Bitcoin. Now we have a big wick also to the downside. We may see a big upgoing Bitcoin to resistance 54,000 again. If this candle will close with this big wick, you have to watch it, guys. So let's go to the 1-hour chart. What's going on here in the 1-hour chart? Okay, here are also some things to watch. Our technical target for breaking down, we know that. We have our perfect buy-in position here, 55,000. Okay, that's perfect. One thing I forgot, guys, let me show you here. We really need to draw a Fibonacci line. That's so important. We can draw it here on the 1-day chart. I will show it to you now. So we can make this here from the highest point. This was the highest point, about 61,800, to the lowest point. This was about, I think, 3,700, like this here. This maybe like this here. This was the lowest point. So let's zoom in now. We have now important things to watch we can go to the 4-hour chart. We have some important things to watch, and we have to watch this 78.6% golden pocket Fibonacci line. We have to watch this. This is a big support, and you can see Bitcoin is reacting on supports always. You can see it here. It reacted on this. Here also it broke it down, it broke it up again. Here it spiked over, here again, here again. You can see Bitcoin is respecting this golden pocket line, 78.6. It's on 49,000. This is a big thing we have to watch, guys. Keep that in your mind also. I will set a buy position on this point, 49,000. I am expecting a big wick to the downside, and we may see here the wick coming to the 49,000, and I will make a buy here for me, a long position with a short stop loss under this, because it's possible to go deeper here. Okay, back to the 1-hour chart. Here we are. 1-hour chart, we can see here another thing here. We have still here a downtrend, yes, and we are now maybe on the 1-hour chart forming another downtrend. We can make it like this here. So it's always important in each time frame. It doesn't matter if you are trading in 1 hour or 4 hour, to make your lines, to make your work, to make your downtrend or uptrends here. So you can see your resistances, you can see so nice things here. Very interesting. On the 15-minute chart, guys, so let's go deeper in the 15-minute chart. Here it is. We will check now if we'll see some patterns here. Let's remove all drawings. Let's remove the things here. Let's turn off the ribbon band. Yes, the ribbon band is our resistance. I know it. We are now spiking on the 15-minute chart. You can see it here perfectly. A nice pump again to the ribbon band, retesting the ribbon band. And now I think it's possible to go down here more and more. On the 15-minute chart, let's check. Let me check here if I see some special pattern here or something like this. But momently, I can't see here anything good stuff here. No, okay, that's it. So you know the big thing, you know the target to the downside, you know all stuff. I think you know everything for this week. Be patient, keep calm, guys. Look at 44,000. That's a big thing. A lot of guys are watching this. Look at 49,000. 49,000 is a big thing. It's also a thing. A lot of guys are watching it. I personally will make a long position here in 49,000. Guys, that's it for the daily update for Bitcoin. I hope you enjoyed this update. I hope this is a perfect thing for you, to help you to trade. I wish you the best of luck if you're trading. It doesn't matter if you go long or if you go short. I wish you make millions out there. Guys, very important, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. And if you would like to support me, here is my online shop. I will put the description into the link. Okay, I will put the link into the description. That's everything I can make here. You can buy my cool t-shirts here, Bitcoin Trading Informant. An informant, also called an informer, is a person who provides privileged information. You need a Bitcoin trading informant, guys. It's special luck for you for trading. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice time. Greetings, yours BT, your Bitcoin trading informant. Bye bye.